ROCKO waterproof wall tiles are a great way for a quick wall finish in both new and renovated interiors. We can use them in dry and wet rooms, like bathrooms, and even install them on old ceramic tiles. During this short presentation, we will show you how to upgrade the interior in a quick and clean way, using ROCKO waterproof wall tiles. Here we go! We are starting the renovation of a small 26 square meter apartment. In the first stage of renovation, we are leveling all walls and ceiling. The building is from the 70s and walls are very crooked, so we need to get the most even planes in all rooms. You can see work in progress on presented photos, assembly of aluminum profiles before plasterboard installation, and walls leveling before plastering. In the bathroom, we will build a concealed toilet installation from plywood, impregnated with a waterproof agent. We also need to clean and prime old ceramic tiles under the shower, as we decided to keep them. We are starting the second stage of renovation. We can see that walls are already prepared. We have also done a self-leveling subfloor. We will start with floor installation. This is a new product from Kronospan, ROCKO SPC flooring. It is a new generation of vinyl flooring, which differs from other vinyl planks by a much more durable core, which is 70% natural mineral. There is also an integrated soundproof layer on the bottom of the panels. Thanks to this, they can be installed without additional underlay. We just need to ensure even and clean floor. In our case, we will install ROCKO panels on 1 mm thick and highly dense underlay, which additionally reduces minor unevenness and impact sounds. ROCKO flooring is waterproof. We can use it in all wet rooms, that is, kitchens, bathrooms, mudrooms. We can have them directly next to large windows, in bright sunlight, for example in conservatories. Installation does not require any adhesives. It is a floating floor with a strong and durable lock system. Remember to keep proper expansion gaps by all walls and other fixed elements. Installation does not require complicated tools. We can see utility knife and a rubber hammer on the floor. Now let's go to the bathroom. We must remember that before floor installation, we should have a shower tray or a bathtub already in place, properly isolated, and after this we can start the installation process. We are starting the third stage of the apartment renovation, that is, installation of large format SPC tiles on the walls. The 4 mm slabs have exactly the same core as the ROCKO flooring, 70% natural marble. We have prepared 4 different subsurfaces in the apartment. We have a plasterboard wall, 2 plastered walls. In the bathroom, we wanted to use the existing old ceramic tiles covered with quartz soil and plywood construction. We start the assembly by sticking a double-sided tape which protects the panel against sliding and guarantees an even distribution of adhesive. We use a hybrid adhesive based on MS polymers and we will apply it symmetrically on the wall and between the tape. In the bathroom, we will glue down ROCKO tiles on old ceramic tiles. In this case, we also used a double-sided tape, but we can opt out of it, or if we do not have it, we should use quick-drying adhesives. Before installation, please carefully format each board. We can mark electrical boxes and cut the proper holes before assembly. Or if we have well-sized ones, we can cut them out after board's installation. First, we start with white boards. After installing the first board, we can see a well-leveled wall. We can see now practically completed assembly on the first wall. We have used a symmetrical division on this one. We have finished renovation of the apartment. Let's check the final effect. Just in few words about finishing profiles. We have installed a white T profile on white boards. On the gray concrete imitating decor, we have an aluminum C profile and a classic cement joint. We have a T profile and a C profile by the window. Let's go to the bathroom. As it is a wet room, we used a cement grout at the joint of all boards. On plywood subsurface, SPC board was cut at an angle of 45 degrees, also grouted with a cement joint. We can also see the final effect of ROCKO installation on old ceramic tiles. To sum up, we have presented in just a few stages how to install SPC ROCKO flooring and wall tiles for a quick and clean renovation.